If buying a gas pressure washer is what you want, but you do not want to spend a lot, the machines we are going to review in this video are currently being sold for under $300. They may not be in the same league as a heavy-duty unit. That being said, customer reviews indicate that these gas pressure washers offer good bang for the buck. Number 1. Karcher G 2700. Our first choice is the Karcher G 2700. Karcher G 2700 is the strongest for cleaning power on this list. At 2700 psi and 2.5 GPM. It comes in at 6750 CPU. If power is what you need from this pressure washer, aka really tough jobs, this is the model you should consider. It does have strong steel design with 8 inches wheels, which makes it easier to maneuver. What's great about the Karcher is it comes with the most variety of spray nozzles. You have 5 choices of spray nozzles here with 0, 15, 25, 40 and detergent, 65 degrees. These nozzles give you the different pressures you need depending on the job. It also has a nice folding handle which improves the storage of the unit. You can really pack this Karcher away during the off-season. It also comes with the standard onboard detergent tank for easy cleaning. Number 2. Briggs & Stratton 20545. Another quality company in Briggs & Stratton coming in the rank for quality power washers. If you're looking for a perfect middle-of-the-road cleaner in terms of power and price, this Briggs is excellent. The B&G pressure washer is slightly smaller in overall design, but still made with the 2-wheel steel cart design. Since the engine is slightly smaller, the overall weight of this power washer is lighter at 50 pounds. That's a bit more manageable for most people. One nice little feature about this B&G design is the handrail on the front of the washer. Typically we see rails on the back, but they also included a small handle on the front for quick adjustments on the fly. The Briggs & Stratton comes with a 25-foot hose that is resistant to kinking. It comes with 3 different nozzles to adjust the hose pressure, 0, 25 and detergent nozzles. Number 3. EXCELL EPW21231003100 psi. A 212cc motor is just one thing you'll like about the EXCELL EPW2123100 gas-powered pressure washer. That motor delivers a powerful 3100 psi and an impressive 2.8 gallons of water per minute, which can help you clean the front of your home or your driveway in 30 minutes or less. The brass head of the pump inside is resistant to corrosion and works with the pistons made from stainless steel to help you get years of cleaning out of this washer. To make your life easier, EXCELL designed the 5 included quick connect nozzles with colors in mind. And not only can you use those colors to more easily identify the nozzle that you need, but you can also use those colors to put each nozzle back in the right spot on the frame after using one. Each nozzle easily and quickly screws onto the end of the wand, which is also resistant to rust. A lower profile frame makes this model more convenient when it comes to storage too, because it fits right under a table or workbench.